Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. A new report from WinFuture claims that Samsung has started mass-producing components for the Galaxy S22 series and has encountered a small setback. That's usually normal when kicking off production of a new product. However, the rumor shares a bit more about the production process. As per the new information, Samsung is now manufacturing components mainly for its Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus models in all of their variants, while the S22 Ultra's production prioritizes the US variant. Still, all handsets are on schedule for a January 2022 release, despite the current situation with the chip shortages. There's still time, though, and plans are subject to change, but it all seems that at least for now the company's next flagships are on track. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.